Previously, I broke down every single mod I did to my CBR 650R, what worked, what didn't, and what I'd recommend to anyone getting started. But since then, everything's changed.
Introducing the all-new, used 2005 Fireblade 1000RR. Over 170 horsepower, built when phones had buttons and riders had grit. From the fine folks at Honda, raw power, analog precision, and zero rider aids. Because you are the traction control. It slices, it dices, it makes you question everything at 12,000 RPM, step into the past, and twist the future.
Yep, that's right, the 650 is gone. I've gotten a Fireblade CBR 1000RR from 2005. And let me tell you what kind of beast this guy is. It's an absolute... oh, I love it. I love it so much. But we have a lot to talk about. I'm trying to cover everything in this video. First of all, I don't have a new helmet, not yet. I have a new visor. And I'll explain the story behind this visor. I have ordered a new helmet from Rock about 1 month ago, and it's gonna arrive tomorrow. But funny story about this visor is that I ordered when Rock had a discounted sale, so I decided to order a new helmet since this is my 4th season with this helmet, and it's about time to switch it up a little bit. So I ordered that. I ordered the helmet, the visor, and a pin lock when they had a discounted bundle available. 5 days later, after my order, I saw that they had another bundle which included a sound system and a free visor with any full helmet purchase. That didn't really bother me since I already have a sound system in this helmet and I'm buying exactly the same type of helmet. But then I started thinking, wouldn't it be nice with an updated sound system, because their 2nd gen sound system is in collaboration with Harman Kardon, which probably means that the sound system is a lot better, I'm guessing. I mean, it's not bad, but it can always get better. So I was talking to a guy in Sweden that sold it on Facebook Marketplace, and he was being an ass, so I decided to not buy one at all. And then one day I received an email from Rock with a coupon code for 30%. I tried applying this in the basket and it didn't work. So I sent an email to Rock saying, hey guys, it doesn't really work. What's up? Can I get a 30% discount because I only want the sound system, nothing else. And I bought a helmet about a month ago. They said, no, sorry, the discount is only for US customers, which I'm not. But we'll give you one better. We'll refund you 5% from the helmet purchase. We'll send you out a sound system and a free visor of your choice for free. I couldn't really believe what I was reading. It felt so completely unbelievable, insane. But yeah, there I was, about to receive a free visor and free sound system and a 5% refund from my purchase. I'm not complaining, I'm very thankful. So that's the story behind this visor. I decided to put it on my blue helmet because I already ordered another visor for my next helmet. And I'm not going to spoil you guys with colors and stuff. You'll see for yourselves in a future video. Now on to the main topic. The CBR 1000RR Fireblade from 2005. What a machine this is. Did one of those trips again, which I did last time for the CBR 650. I went all the way down to Karlskrona, which is about 7 hours away from here. And I bought the bike there and drove it home. From Karlskrona to Jönköping, slept there for one night, and then Jönköping, Stockholm. And when I arrived in Stockholm, I was at a red light and I was about to take off, and it stalled on me and then it completely died. So I panicked. I really panicked. Didn't really know what to do. Luckily, at red light there's a Ford mechanic, car mechanic nonetheless, but still. They let me in, let me borrow some tools, take off the seat, check the battery and stuff. And what was clear was that my battery was not charging at all. It was completely dead, and the regulator and the starter was not charging the battery. Blah, blah, blah. Was not charging the battery properly, which was unfortunate. Had to order those, which sucked. This is like my first proper ride. I was out yesterday, or no, yesterday? I was out today with my good friend Maximus von CBR.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
Holy shit. Shout out Maximus. Maximus decided to gather a lot of bikers and go riding in Stockholm, which we did, which was absolutely amazing. We had a super fun time. But yeah, here are some clips. I've been riding the whole day, but I kind of wanted to quickly just take a little bike tour out through the city on my new Fireblade. Now the bike didn't look like this. It was pretty stock, aftermarket exhaust, but it sounded completely horrible. It was a Yoshimura. It sounded awful. There was like zero difference from an original compared to that one. So I fitted a Delkovich exhaust. I've fitted an integrated taillight with turn signals in the rear, cleaned up my tail, put my plate down under just like the ZX6R, bought these socks for my brake fluid and for my clutch fluid. And it's awesome having a hydraulic clutch. I've never seen that before, and back in 2005 that must have been an invention of the decade. Okay, right. There you go, brother. I've never seen that. Hydraulic clutch, that's awesome. New tank pad with tank grips on the sides. New foot pegs in black, and new brake and clutch levers, black as well. And that basically covers all the mods. So, more or less, all the mods that I did on my 650R, I did on this one. So the Fireblade from 2005 has no ABS, no traction control, nothing except for a Honda electronic steering dampener, which stiffens the steering, I guess, in higher speeds. So if you're just cruising in the city, it's not that stiff. 200 kilometers an hour, it's a lot stiffer, which is awesome. And to have that in a 2005 is probably, again, ahead of its time. Nice night. I've been riding again the whole day, but it's a really beautiful evening. Summer is almost here. It's May 29th of May. Hopefully we can make a lot of content, maybe with Maximus, maybe with other bikers. We'll see. Oh, you might be asking yourself why I sold the 650. I don't know if I told you, but I switched tires back in March, and then a month after I got a puncture in my rear tire, so I had to switch it 2 times before the season even began, which sucked because before the season begins the tires are a lot less expensive. As soon as the season begins, the increase in price, so that sucked. And then I just felt like I need to switch it up. I was looking at an R1, R6, but nothing felt as close to home as a Honda, so I decided to go for it, which I did, so that's awesome. That's basically all I had planned for this video. If you enjoyed, please like, please subscribe, take care. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna race. Let's race. Bye. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one.